Hi, great to see you again. Today we're learning how the BNB chain works. In this module, we'll take a close look at the various aspects of BNB chain, exploring its architecture, types of nodes, consensus algorithm, staking mechanisms, governance model, cross-chain communication capabilities, and future developments. Our aim is to equip you with a comprehensive understanding of how BNB chain operates as a decentralized blockchain platform. By completing this module, you'll be able to confidently navigate and utilize BNB chain's functionalities. Here's what we have inside BNB chain ecosystem. First, BNB Beacon Chain. BNB Beacon Chain is a staking and governance layer of BNB ecosystem. BNB Smart Chain, an EVM-compatible blockchain that brings programmability and interoperability to the BNB ecosystem. BNB Greenfield. BNB Greenfield introduced an entirely new structural and economic paradigm for data in the Web3 era. The ownership, usage, and the monetization of data are now possible first and foremost for users, as well as all participants in the BNB chain ecosystem. OPBNB. OPBNB network is the Layer 2 scaling solution for the BNB Smart Chain, powered by the Bedrock version of Optimism OP Stack. The BNB chain ecosystem is made up of various types of nodes that work together to ensure the network's security, validate transactions, and maintain the smooth running of consensus mechanisms. In particular, the full nodes is essential in maintaining network integrity. It has a complete copy of the blockchain and is responsible for validating new transactions and blocks, performing consensus, and storing all historical data of the blockchain, from the Genesis block to the latest block. By independently verifying the entire history of transactions, the full nodes ensure the accuracy and the security of the blockchain. Another type of node is a validator node. Validator nodes are full nodes that are responsible for performing consensus, including producing blocks and verifying blocks produced by other validators. Although witness nodes and archive nodes are not separate nodes, they're still full nodes actively participating in the consensus protocol. Witness nodes are responsible for the witness consensus process, data replication, and transaction propagation, while active nodes play an important role in preserving the history of BNB chain, but are not rewarded for their participation. Consensus algorithms are vital for ensuring the security and reliability of blockchain networks. BNB Smart Chain uses a unique consensus algorithm which combines authority-based and delegated staking consensus, called Proof of Staked Authority. This means faster transactions and lower fees, while still being secure thanks to a group of 53 validators who are chosen based on their reputation in the network and how many tokens they stake. This helps BNB Chain provide a fast, secure, and affordable experience for its users. Staking is a process of locking up tokens to participate in the consensus mechanism of a blockchain network. To become a validator, you need to stake a minimum amount of BNB tokens. The more BNB you stake, the higher your chances of being selected to produce blocks. Validator candidates are ranked based on the amount of BNB tokens they have staked. The top candidates become validators and produce blocks on the BNB chain network. The staking process for the BNB Smart Chain is implemented on BNB Beacon Chain. The validator set for BNB Smart Chain is determined by staking and delegation logic on the BNB Beacon Chain, and it is transmitted to the BNB Smart Chain via cross-chain communication daily. Additionally, the reward distribution for the BNB Smart Chain also occurs on the BNB Beacon Chain. Every day, the rewards from the BNB Smart Chain are transferred to the BNB Beacon Chain. Governance is the process by which decisions are made and implemented to manage the protocol and the network. In the BNB Smart Chain, governance is on-chain, which means that it is built into the protocol and can be accessed by anyone. The governance process is divided into 3 stages: deposit, voting, and tallying and execution. Deposit stage. During the deposit stage, anyone in the network can submit a proposal to the BNB beacon chain for others to view. The cost associated with submitting a proposal is relatively low. Typically only the transaction fee, which can be as little as 1 BNB. However, for a proposal to proceed to the next stage, it must have at least 2,000 BNB deposited to it during the voting period. Voting stage. Once a proposal has met the deposit requirement, it moves to the voting stage. During this stage, the community has the opportunity to vote on the proposal. Validators hold more voting power based on their stake, as they have a larger amount of tokens at stake. Additionally, users who hold BNB can delegate their tokens to a validator, effectively increasing the voting power of that validator. This ensures that the voting process reflects the opinions and interests of the wider community. Tallying and execution stage. After the voting stage concludes, the tallying and execution stage begins. If a proposal meets all the necessary conditions to pass, it is automatically implemented throughout the entire network. This ensures that the decisions made through the governance process are effectively executed and integrated into the BNB Smart Chain. The ability for multiple blockchains to communicate with each other is known as cross-chain communication. It enables users to transfer assets between different blockchains, which can be highly beneficial. For instance, if a user wants to use decentralized application that is only available on BNB Smart Chain, they can use cross-chain communication to transfer their assets from BNB Beacon Chain to BNB Smart Chain. This eliminates the need to create a new wallet or go through a hassle of moving assets back and forth between blockchains. Cross-chain communication is the fundamental basis for the community to make the most out of dual chain structure. Users are free to create any tokenization, financial products, and digital assets on BNB Smart Chain or BNB Beacon Chain as they wish. The item on BNB Smart Chain can be traded and circulated manually and programmatically in a stable, highly efficient, and lightning-fast environment on BNB Beacon Chain. Users can carry out all these operations with a single UI and a tooling ecosystem. The BNB Chain team is currently working on exciting developments to enhance the platform. Here are some of the upcoming changes. Scalability. BNB Chain aims to increase its transaction efficiency and leverage emerging technologies such as zero-knowledge proof and optimistic rollups to provide cheaper, scalable, and secure solutions for decentralized applications. User experience and security. BNB Chain intends to improve user experience by introducing better cross-chain solutions, strengthening security via Avenger DAO 2.0 and building smart wallets via MPC and account abstract with community partners. BNB Chain is committed to further decentralization by gradually increasing validators from 53 to 100 and introducing an incentive model for Beacon Chain validators. In summary, BNB Chain has a strong foundation consisting of BNB Beacon Chain and BNB Smart Chain. BNB Chain aims to advance the decentralized blockchain landscape with improvements in scalability, storage, user experience, and decentralization. We appreciate your participation in the Introduction to BNB Chain module as we strive to innovate the blockchain platform. Thank you for joining us. Together, we can help make a future that is more open and safer for everyone. See you soon.